In this video, I'm going to share with you my top tips and tricks for effective time management that will help you get more done in less time. You wanted to complete a very important assignment last night, but then you lost track of time and now you are running out of time. Plans with your friends started colliding with your to-do lists, and there is nothing you can do except panic. Well, there is still a lot to do to make up for the lost time with just a bit of planning from your end. Wondering how you can plan to make use of your time without wasting it on things that are unplanned? This video gives you a quick guide of 10 quick steps to look into your daily routine and find out the culprits behind your time concern and helps you to quickly evaluate and eradicate the ones acting as your enemy. So watch this video till the end and explore the mysteries of time management with us. For a lot of people, time flies quickly, and yes, this proverb is not just a deep fact, but it works on a literal level because most of the time we all complain that we had done nothing and the day switched off into the night. Don't worry, there isn't any timing chip that is making the clock tick faster than they are supposed to do, but it's the routine. Seems you are shocked, but yes, it's your routine that is the major culprit over here and stealing the precious seconds of time right in front of your eyes. So, how can you capture this culprit? Yes, by finding nature. What kind of routine you follow has much to do with time management. If you spend 10 hours on the phone and 6 hours on your personal productivity, then it's obvious that you are drifting in the wrong direction. Make a list of all the daily activities and the time which you spend on them. Devise time according to the nature of the activity. For example, if there is a topic that seems really hard to you, the best thing is to devise 3 to 4 hours on that. Meanwhile, you can accompany a difficult task with an easier one by choosing an easier topic upon which you believe that minimal time will be consumed. If you are having a difficult exam or a test tomorrow, plan your hours in a way that you get time to rest equally. Be careful that the resting hours amid preparing for your academics should not exceed more than 30 minutes. Alongside, taking breaks between your studies helps you to reduce the stress of academics a lot. You won't negate the fact that for most of us, routine works like an electronic manual. I mean, it's there completely informing us what to do and when to do, but we still keep on ignoring it. Ever wondered how it affects your productivity? It has a lot to do with your life patterns. Making a routine is not enough, but sticking to it is the real game. You have to hound yourself that you are supposed to follow a routine that can help you thoroughly. To do this, you can easily create a daily based tracking record which can help you in finding the number of tasks that you have performed daily. This also helps you to understand the significance of your time and become controlled. Trust me, for a few days it will hurt like an open wound to follow a routine and track your performance. But once you start treating this wound with a passion and activeness, you are going to win. Today, all of us want things to be done in the blink of an eye, and that's why most of us carry multiple burdens on our shoulders. However, if your time is specified for academics, it needs to become specified to that one prospect of your life. Don't try to become a badass by completing multiple assignments and ending up deadpan, but focus on each of the assignments or tasks in hand one by one. This will help you improve your performance within the given span of time and you won't end up questioning your results in the end. If I ask you about the biggest distraction which hinders growth at most, what would be your answer? I can bet it's going to be a phone. Mobile phones not doing well or blaze but are slowly developing themselves into a curse in disguise. A mobile phone is a reason why most of us get distracted every minute while we are trying to focus with the best of our hearts and mind. The best thing to do is to shut down your phone for those hours while you are studying and keep it away from your study desk so that your focus remains on what you have in front of you. It's an interesting side of human thinking that once you start deeply focusing on what you have in front of you, you immediately start losing focus on your surroundings, and that's a proven fact. So it's best to keep this distraction away from you. Most of you will be thinking that this is a video about time management strategies. So why am I deliberately bringing the nap time here for you? Well, your nap time equally counts in your overall productivity because that's the time when your mind is becoming productive and clearing itself. Don't sleep excessively, but also don't miss out on a good sleep because you will feel fresh and more active to perform right after a great sleep. Tasks are of two natures. Some of your activities are very important from an educational perspective, while some are not that effective. Divide your tasks and devise time firstly on the most important tasks. When you accomplish your most important tasks effectively, it will become easy for you to go for those which can be completed in no time, with of course a relaxed mind. Organization is a very important principle of management. There might be some things which you want to complete in a week and some in a month. Don't leave it for the deadline and get yourself all relaxed. Rather, start preparing from the beginning. Complete a small portion of your tasks every day so that by the end it doesn't get piled up on your head and start panicking. That's the golden rule to win. We all are a part of society and we can never be cut from this larger fragment. Yet you all must have heard the saying, successful people have few friends. Now is the right time to interpret this thing in its true connotation. Much of the time which you waste is wasted on your social life. You are rightly going to admit this. For achieving your goals, you have to become planned in this area specifically. To control your time, you have to control your social life first. Don't simply say yes to every single party or hang out without considering the outcomes. If you believe that there is a lot to do back at home, it's perfectly okay to make yourself a priority first. I personally believe that checklists allow us to find that lost spark and work for our goals in a passionate way. Creating a checklist based on the nature of your task can set you in the right direction because it becomes a part of your subconscious mind and the guilt trip starts shaking you vigorously when you are not completing your dream checklist, which I believe is the best motivator. The human mind is programmed in a way that works positively when a reward is there at the end. Your time management strategies are incomplete if you are not willing to reward yourself for accomplishing mini goals. Select different activities or delicacies as your reward and bound yourself that you can only get your hands on them if you will be completing the test for achieving them. This helps you a lot to draw clear spaces between your educational life and personal life as you can get relaxed soon after you achieve your target. Time management is not difficult at all. What's difficult is your willingness to manage your time into valuable fragments. For most of us, taking the big step is the real test. You can read hundreds of books and articles but can never get to make yourself productive until you are fully committed to following a routine where tasks are divided to give you a clearer picture of your daily life. Sticking to a routine can really help you a lot in sorting out your life and making yourself productive on an educational and professional level. So don't forget to ask yourself the question, are you ready to go through a test of routine and order for making the most of the time? Plus, don't forget to like and share this video because we have really taken our hearts and a little time to make it for you. Please do comment on some of your workable time management strategies because we all want to know what are the golden principles of capturing this time genie. If you want more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon because with a single ring, you get to find innumerable treasures hidden in this chest.